Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have something pretty special. This is the 2015 Volkswagen Jetta 2.0 liter TDI SE. Really cool vehicle. I'm a huge fan of the TDIs. Yes, that does mean this is a diesel motor. Though it doesn't really sound like, the stereotypical diesel. Nice and easy to get in and out. See the TDI floor mats. This is a DSG transmission. Absolutely fantastic, really quick shifting. We'll start off normal drive mode. I mean, you can faintly hear the typical diesel rattle, but it's not pronounced by any means. This one has just under 60,000 miles on it, which is really good for a 2015. In great shape, brown over tan. And these are really hard to come by. I know pretty much every single one we get in, we put on our front line because they sell pretty quickly. A lot of people are looking for TDIs now, and I think these will be the most valuable Jettas on the market. Put it down into sport mode. The diesel has an absolute ton of torque down low. Steering is pretty direct. Obviously, there's a little bit of dead zone there, but not bad at all. Honestly, I think this is the best Jetta that I've driven on the street, just because you don't have to wind it out to get the torque and passing power you need. Everything's down low, and that's where you are 99% of the time for daily driving. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.